everybody, welcome to Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you the Minnie Winnie by Winnebago. This is a 450 and we are on a engine of V10 Triton engine. I'm going to show you the storage on the outside real quick. First, want to point out the extended mirrors. That's going to allow you to see all the way down the side while you're driving. This is a bunkhouse model. It is perfect for families. You've got the nice windows there. That's where the bunks are. You've got your awning toppers to protect your slide out from any debris or rain. Around the corner, you've got a full-length ladder, the nice Winnebago logo, and a beautiful window there in the back where the master bedroom is. You've also got your backup camera. Tons of storage here. It's what I love about Winnebagos in general. You've kind of got a two-tiered system here, so you can store longer items here, taller items. If you have a small grill you need to pack, you can fit it in there. Some lawn chairs, things like that. All of your camping equipment, fuel, cable, water, everything ready to hook up. Again, with the slide toppers. Let's go on inside and check out the awesome family-friendly floor plan. Before we head in, I do want to point out that you do have an automatic awning. It extends the entire way out, so it's over your doorway. Really nice to have when you're, sitting at your patio and stuff like that. You've got your table and everything out. Really provides some nice shade. Let's go on inside. This is a really nice, wide open floor plan. You can sleep a ton of people in here. This folds down into a jackknife sofa. The table folds down. You've got the bed over the cab, plus you've got the bunk beds. I mean, tons of places to sleep here. You can really have a lot of fun here with your family. Up front, of course, you've got the Ford engine here, all your usual suspects. You've got your backup camera monitor right there. Very easy to drive if you've ever driven a truck, Suburban, a lot like that in terms of how it feels. A cute little kitchen here on your slide. You've got your gas oven, 3-range burner stove, microwave, your hood vent, a nice amount of counter space here for your prep, plus a double sink, tons of storage here, lots of light. Winnebago does a great job with your storage. RV fridge, and then you've got your bunk bed. So again, very family-friendly open floor plan. Again, with the storage, huge drawer here, and it's even divided. Get a privacy curtain here below. And if you don't always use the bunk beds, a lot of people use them for pets, extra storage, so that's a good idea as well. You have a privacy curtain here that divides the main sleeping area from the rest. Nice big restroom area. Nice big shower there, nice amount of counter space. Everything you need to keep yourself clean during your trip, your long road trip or your nice family camping trip. Again, I can't point out the storage enough. You've got tons of it here. And we're in a 31-foot. This goes all the way through. So again, if you have larger, bulky items, you got a nice queen-size bed here, tons of space to walk around, and plus look at this, you've got a beautiful window in the back. Remember that window I was showing you in the back? Lets in tons of light. It's just beautiful. Plus you continue with the storage above the bed. You've got some outlets there. Just a great coach. Hey, I'd love to show you more information on this coach. Again, my name is Emilie.McKennon. I can be reached at 541-998-1148. I'm at extension 2519. And until next time, enjoy the road.